My name is Hina. So Kali ma'am has requested me to make this video to actually highlight the journey of my career after my education. I hope this video help you somewhere in your future. So let's talk about my career. I did my graduation and post-graduation from Guru Nanak College of Pharmacy, Nagpur. After my education, I was very confused that what I will do after completion of my M.Pharm. Like where I will start my new job, where should I start my first job, etc. etc. And in my family there were family restrictions also. So I thought let's start the job from native place only. So I went over different manufacturing units in Nagpur like Zim, Unijuice, Nitika, Ankit, etc. And I placed my CV over there. After a few days I got a call from Nitika Pharmaceuticals and I went over there for interview. They selected me and I started doing my first job in Nitika Pharmaceuticals as a quality assurance associate in QA department. Basically, the company was dealing with manufacturing of microcrystalline cellulose. I worked there for a few months and I got good exposure to audits in small scale companies. So overall, it was a good experience there. After a few months, I left the job due to my marriage, and after some time, I started new job in Ankit Pulse as a quality control associate in QC department. There also, I got a good exposure to good documentation practices and audits. After some time, I shifted to Pune after my marriage, and I gave interview to Cyphomix Private Limited, Pune in pharmacovigilance department, and that was the turning point of my career. There, I came to know how important is our education and our field is. It directly deals with a patient's life and safety. PV field is very vast and there are many big name companies working in PV field like TCS, Cognizant, Novo Nordisk, Accenture, etc. After joining this company, I actually came to know about corporate world and I got many opportunities to develop myself in skills and knowledge. In companies, they arrange many trainings for the employees to help to grow in their careers, like personality development, English improvement, business etiquettes, also with softwares like Excel, MS Office, and different databases, etc. In companies, there is always internal job posting also in different departments like medical writing, aggregate reporting, regulatory affairs. We also celebrate success events and festivals. So I learned a lot in the company and fascinated with the work culture and environment of the PV sector. Last year, our company acquired by Covan Solution, which is a big name in PV field, and I completed my 5 year of successful career in PV field. Today, I am a senior safety science specialist and happy with my career and job. So this is all about my career till now. Now I want to tell you the mantra of success in corporate world. If you have a good English speaking ability and good leadership quality and confidence, you will achieve success as fast as you can. And of course, our field is so vast that each and every day you will come to learn a new thing. In this pandemic situation also, many people have lost their job, but it does not affect our field. There is always a need in pharmacy. So I really respect my field. And last but not the least, thanks to Kali ma'am to provide this opportunity to make this video. Hope this video will help you in your future. Thanks and goodbye.